Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-park your BMW iX. First, locate the Parking Assistant Plus button, typically found on your center console. As you drive slowly under 12 miles per hour, the system actively scans for available parking spots. Once a suitable space is identified, the vehicle will prompt you to engage the self-parking feature. This intelligent system makes parking effortless and precise, even in tight spots, guiding you through the process with ease. Once your BMW iX identifies a parking spot, a confirmation will appear on your control display. To begin the self-parking sequence, simply press and hold the Parking Assistant button. The vehicle will then take over steering, acceleration, and braking. It's crucial to remain vigilant and keep your foot poised over the brake pedal, ready to intervene if necessary. The system is designed for convenience, but your awareness is always the primary safety measure. As your BMW iX parks itself, closely monitor its progress on the control display, which provides a visual representation of the maneuver. The vehicle utilizes 12 ultrasonic sensors and 4 cameras to achieve precise positioning, ensuring a perfect park every time. While the system is highly capable, always be ready to assume manual control. A gentle touch of the steering wheel or brake pedal will disengage the parking assistant, giving you full command. Once your BMW iX has successfully completed the parking maneuver, the system will notify you. At this point, simply shift the gear selector into park to secure your vehicle. The entire process, from detection to final positioning, typically takes less than 30 seconds for a parallel spot. Remember to always perform a quick visual check of your surroundings before exiting, ensuring everything is clear. Enjoy the convenience of a perfectly parked vehicle every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.